be simple from the jump, you'll remember me for centuries. Every Hall of Fame is gonna have a way to mention me, and I don't even care what the general consensus be. Love me or hate me, regardless you're respecting me. Got this flow down pat, I go with another, so everybody's fire can get smothered, melted like butter. Start a step, everything I do on purpose. Competition worthless, nobody can murk this. Ever since his birth, it's been wildfires burning. My mental wheels stay turning for the next buck that I'm earning. No pun intended on the name slang. I'm banging out with rape tracks, duct tape them out to make a ransom note with no tax. Straight facts, I'll come back like pure crack. Nobody attack my stance, I like that. Hip-hop president, so everyone remember this. I'm going down in history, a legend in the making, bitch. Back straight in the beast, but we go only rolling out with whatever we know. Sitting in the studio inhaling weed smoke. Eyes so low you would swear we sleep, yo. We at the top, but it's still too low. I'm only flying high as an Auburn crow. I put this town on the map, watch this shit explode. I'd leave if I could, but this is still my home. Auburn's in my blood, prison city to the bone. This town was set on fire for me by my bro. Before I knew I could rap, I was promised the throne. Daddy always told me to go for the gold. If I want it bad enough, then I'll travel all roads to find the best one to take me straight to my goals. Put them on stage, watch it blow, it shows. This is what I was built for, the reason I'm known.